Hello, everybody. We're doing a presentation today. This is Ollie Macker, and I'm Ollie Macker, and we are going to do a presentation.
Let me do my name. This is Cinderella, and
she means
this is Cinderella, and I would do your favorite.
We both did this. Here's on the snow. It actually already came off, but it kind of fell off already. But
Sam. This did. Chloe.
We're gonna eat it tonight because it's just a gingerbread house. So.
Is it a house?
Well, it's actually a train, a gingerbread train.
You want to tell me about how you made it?
We made
it. Mom made. She got it. Say hello, Mom.
Hello.
And we're both sisters.
Yeah.
And and that snow is the official piece. We also have this one. That one's really loose, and this one.
Whoa.
That one's pretty loose. Oh, and this one already came off, and that one. So we gave you. Snow glows white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. Okay, it's time to eat, everybody.
You don't want to tell me any more about this creation.
Who made it?
Gundor and us.
Can we eat it now?
Yeah. You just want